Hi, and welcome back to Holistic Tips with Nicole. Today's topic is a sensitive one, cancer. And I just want to start by saying that if you or someone you know is struggling with that battle, my heart and my prayers go out to you and your families. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the difference between normal healthy cells and cells that become abnormal, turning into cancer. Then we'll discuss how tumors grow and the environment in which they need to continue to thrive and survive. And lastly, we'll take a look at 5 important supplements that have been linked to cancer cell death. So keep on watching. There are literally trillions of cells in the human body. Every cell carries out its own function. And much like the human body, cells are mortal, meaning that at some point they die. Cell death is typically the result of a natural process where old cells die and are replaced by new ones. In cancer, our cells undergo a change in their biological makeup that renders them immortal, meaning they never die. These immortal cells continue to multiply, forming a tumor. What happens during that process is that they begin to digest the connective tissue surrounding them by releasing collagen digestive enzymes. And this paves the way for cancer spread or metastasis. Once a tumor grows to a certain size, they can no longer be nourished from within. So the formation of new blood vessels occurs by the tumor to supply it with oxygen and nutrients to help the tumor continue to grow. This is a process called angiogenesis. So our goal is to stop the multiplication of cancer cells and reduce tumor growth by providing an environment that reverses the immortality switch and promotes cancer cell death. Let's talk about 5 supplements that support the body in doing just that. Number 1 is vitamin C. Now, most people undergoing cancer care under the supervision of a holistic physician or nurse practitioner are receiving vitamin C intravenously in very high doses. The reason for that is that our GI tract would not be able to tolerate that high of a dose if it were taken orally. But the reason vitamin C is so effective is because it supports and strengthens the integrity and stability of our connective tissue. It also inhibits connective tissue digestion when cancer cells release the digestive enzymes to break it down. It also helps to promote cancer cell death by flipping that immortality switch. Number 2 is the amino acid L-lysine. This essential amino acid can inhibit the uncontrolled digestion of connective tissue by cancer cells, thereby inhibiting cancer cell spread and metastasis. L-lysine only comes from the diet as it's not produced by the body and can be taken in supplement form. Number 3 is another essential amino acid called L-proline, which is another building block for collagen or connective tissue. L-lysine and L-proline are commonly found together in supplement form. L-proline can also induce cancer cell death by flipping that immortality switch. Number 4 is NAC, or N-acetylcysteine, which is another amino acid known to inhibit connective tissue digestion, prevent new blood vessels from forming that are providing nutrients to cancer cells, and help flip that immortality switch, inducing cancer cell death. And number 5 is ECGC, which is the active component of green tea. Similar to NAC, it inhibits the digestion of connective tissue, prevents new blood vessels from forming, and induces cancer cell death. Let's just talk about sugar for a moment. We can't really leave sugar out when we talk about cancer. We know that sugar impairs our immune system, but it's also a cancer risk, much like smoking. Studies have shown that it not only feeds cancer, but can actually cause cancer by changing the biological makeup within the cell. Cancer loves to ferment glucose, gives it the ideal environment to grow, thereby producing more tumor mass. And believe it or not, complex carbs are actually worse than simple sugars. Just something to keep in mind. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found it helpful, and I will see you next time.